Hey guys, I hope all are doing fantastic. If you are new here, so please subscribe and hit the bell for more inspirational and motivational videos. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's start. There are few things you just can't learn from a textbook that you have to live through, to see, to be fully entrenched in, because here is simple truth. This world is a tough place. Getting what you want, making the most of the time you have requires that you put yourself in a position to succeed. It means you see a finish line before one exists. Look, no one's ever going to call you and tell you how incredible your idea is. You can't build a business on potential or win a championship on promise. Results are binary. You either accomplished something or simply did not. Yeah, right? Exactly. Yeah, that's what people see. The result. So that means every second, every step of the way from where you are right now until you cross the finish line, it totally depends on you and your thoughts. How you internalize your failure, how you look at setback when no one is around, pat you on a back or tell you how great you are. Will you have enough self-belief to move forward? Because my friends, that's the hardest part. That's what no one talks about. Having the courage to wake up every single day of your life. They know that you are building towards something incredible. You're creating a masterpiece from ground up, and that means that when you're looking in the mirror, you believe what's staring back in you. You see the unseen and you're willing to bring it to life. That is the foundation that you build greatness on. It's a daily pursuit, creating milestones, designing the small wings that keep you going, to keep you moving, that did you pass all those times desperately want to turn out, but know that for you it simply isn't an option. That is not your reality. You have more waiting for you, and so you press on, close in confidence. You move into the unknown, seeking the day the rest of the world looks up and call you lucky. They look at what you built and say how fortunate you are. But they will comprehend the 20-hour day, the focus, the ridicule for being different or obsessive or non-conformist. They won't know that self trumped all of that. It was everything. The word great makes separate for a reason. It implies a specific set of beliefs, a value. It means you saw light when most people saw dark. That means you said yes when most people says no. You move forward when the rest of the world turn around. Believe in your greatness. See it. He is living, it is there, and you need to know that it's there, because it will make all the difference. Your self-belief will define you.